Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iis Kartini and I'm from the Management Universitas Putra Indonesia, Indonesia. It's a great honor for me to be here today at the International Conference on Islamic Community Studies with a theme that connects history, human capacity, and the role of Islamic value in the content of globalization. As we gather here to share knowledge and discuss pressing issues, I am trying to present my research on the role of the principle of Islamic early childhood education (PAUD) in integrating Islamic value into the learning process at PAUD Insan Pertiwi. For abstract, the study aims to describe the principal role in integrating Islamic value into the learning process at PAUD Insan Pertiwi. Method, qualitative descriptive approach, observation, interview, and documentation. And the finding is the principal act as a spiritual leader, guide teacher to embrace Islamic value and ensures alignment with the institution Islamic vision and mission. Keyword for my research is principle, Islamic education management, Islamic values, learning process, early childhood education. And my research background, the first is early childhood education is crucial for shaping children's personality, character, and spirituality. Islamic emphasizes integrating knowledge with spiritual and moral dimensions, challenge limited resources, and teacher competence in applying Islamic value. Then research objectives to explore the principal role in the first is planning, developing curriculum and lesson plan with Islamic values. The second is implementation, guiding teacher to integrate values in teaching and routines. The third, supervision, ensuring learning lesson with Islamic principle. Theoretical framework, Islamic leadership in A.C. Jailani and Sugito 2024, participatory and adaptive leadership, strengthen and teacher commitment. Value integration, Hidayah 2023, Islamic values embedded in routines and thematic learning. The third, character development, Hikmah 2025, she said, focus on relationship with Allah and others. And research method, approach, qualitative descriptive, participant, 1 principal, 3 teacher, and 2 parents. We use instrument semi-structured interview, observation, document analysis, and data analysis, Mile and Haberman interactive model, data reduction, display, and conclusion. Then in my paper, in my research, also finding the first, spiritual leadership. The principle serve as moral and spiritual model. Practice morning prayer, Quran recitation, daily reflection. Embodies value of politeness, humility, and discipline. Support Sergio Fanni 2015, Nurdin 2021. Faith-based leadership combine managerial and moral authority. Finding 2, integration of Islamic value embedded in curriculum, honestly, gratitude, respect, and responsibility. Learning activities, storytelling, songs, and play-based learning with Quranic context. Constructive approach, children learn through meaningful interaction. Nasir and Hamzah. Then collaboration and school culture. Collaboration among principal, teacher, and parent. Activities, creative program, Quran memorization, religious event, build and faith-based learning culture. Lesson, home and school religious education. Then challenge, variation in teacher understanding of Islamic pedagogy, limited professional development program, workload and consistency issues. Principal response, mentoring, peer discussion, reflective meetings. And discussion for my research, the principal role integrated managerial, pedagogical, and spiritual dimension. Legend with Men 2023 and Jailani and Sugito 2024. Then the Fa'ud Insan Pertiwi model provide for prototype for Islamic value-based leadership in ICE. Conclusion, the principal act as a spiritual leader, moral guide, and education manager. Integration achieved through curriculum design, thematic learning, and teacher mentoring. Collaboration between teacher and parent reinforce value consistency. Continue training is needed to strengthen Islamic pedagogy. I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.